Welcome back to Wise Wellness Wisdom, the ultimate destination where health intertwines with humor. Massive gratitude to each and every one of you for taking the time to join me today. Buckle up, because today's journey is an in-depth exploration of the scientific marvels that unfold when you bid adieu to sugar for a glorious 7 days. Get ready for a sugar detox like no other. So, you've decided to embark on a sugar-free adventure? The initial days are akin to entering a sugar-free battlefield. Cravings are knocking on your brain's door louder than a late-night pizza delivery. But fear not, this is your body recalibrating. On the inside, your blood sugar levels begin the delicate dance of fighting their balance, providing a more steady source of energy. And on the outside, your skin might just start thanking you as it embarks on a detox journey. As you reach midweek, the magic intensifies. Your taste buds, once enslaved by sugar's grip, start to awaken. That apple? It's not just an apple, it's a burst of a natural sweetness that you've been missing out on. Internally, your body is doing a happy dance. Blood pressure takes a dip, reducing your risk of heart disease. And your liver finally catches a breather from processing excess fructose. Now, as you approach the sugar-free finish line, you're not just a hero, you're a sugar-free champion. Mental fog lifted. Your brain basks in a stable energy supply. Outside, your waistline might just give you a nod of appreciation as you shed some water weight. But wait, what about life after the sugar-free week? Do you run back in the arms of your sweet old pals? Reintroducing sugar requires a delicate dance. Recognize that almost every food has sugar, and drowning in it isn't necessary. Opt for healthier alternatives like fruits, nuts, or a touch of honey. Health is a journey, not a destination. Armed with newfound insights, make conscious choices moving forward. You're the captain of your health ship. Now, before we plunge even deeper into this sugarless ocean, I've got a teeny request. Can you spare a moment? Click that subscribe button. Your support makes this small channel dance with joy. All right, back to the nitty-gritty. Did you know sugar can have a profound impact on your mood? Eliminating it may lead to improved mental well-being. Pro tip: plan your meals ahead to dodge those sugary pitfalls. Hydration is your sugar-free BFF, so keep that water bottle close. The wonders it does for your body are truly underestimated. Now, let's delve even deeper into the science of what happens when you stop eating sugar for 7 days. Behind the scenes, your insulin sensitivity improves, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Your liver, which often takes the brunt of excessive sugar intake, gets a chance to repair itself. Furthermore, as you cut back on added sugars, your triglyceride levels might take a dip, potentially lowering the risk of heart disease. It's like giving your heart a little vacation from the sugar roller coaster. The mind and body are intricately connected. As you bid farewell to sugar, you might notice a surge in your mood and mental clarity. Studies suggest that excessive sugar consumption may contribute to increased inflammation, affecting your mental well-being. Additionally, the brain fog many experience due to sugar crashes become a distant memory. Mental clarity becomes your new norm, providing a stable foundation for daily activities. Now, let's talk about the scale. Beyond the initial water weight loss, cutting back on sugar can contribute to sustainable weight management. The reduction in calorie intake and the stabilization of blood sugar levels play crucial roles in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. It's important to note that individual experiences may vary, but these trends are observed in various studies exploring the effects of a reduced sugar intake. Aging is a natural process, but certain lifestyle choices, including sugar consumption, can influence how gracefully we age. Excessive sugar intake is linked to the process of glycation, where sugar binds to proteins, potentially accelerating the aging of your skin. By taking a break from sugar, you might notice improvements in your skin elasticity and overall radiance. It's like giving your skin a vacation from the sweet stress. Now, let's navigate the post-sugar week transition. Reintroducing sugar requires mindfulness. While it's tempting to dive headfirst into a pool of sweets, consider the lessons learned during your sugar-free journey. Explore alternative sources of sweetness like fruits, natural sweeteners, or even dark chocolate with higher cocoa content. Your palate has evolved during this week. Let it savor the richness of natural flavors. Living in a world saturated with sugar can be challenging, but it's not impossible to make sugar-free choices. Educate yourself about hidden sugars in processed foods and opt for whole, unprocessed alternatives. Whole grains, lean proteins, and an abundance of colorful fruits and vegetables become the pillar of your sugar-conscious lifestyle. It's not about deprivation. It's about making choices that support your health and well-being. All right, fantastic viewers, we're halfway through this sugary-free odyssey. Take a moment right now and share your thoughts in the comments. What surprised you the most about the effects of stopping sugar for 7 days? Your insights could inspire others on their health journey. Beyond the individual effects, let's touch upon the social impact of sugar consumption. Our society often glorifies sugary treats, making it a central part of celebrations and gatherings. By consciously choosing alternatives, you contribute to a culture that values health and well-being. Imagine a world where celebrations are marked by colorful fruit platters and nut assortments. Your choices ripple through your community, inspiring a shift towards healthier traditions. Let's face it, navigating a sugar-free lifestyle comes with its challenges. Cravings may linger, especially in moments of stress or celebration. Developing strategies to cope with these challenges is key to sustaining your sugar-conscious journey. Experiment with stress-relieving activities. Indulge in mindful eating practices and surround yourself with a supportive community. Your journey is unique, and it's okay to seek guidance and share experiences with others. Unmasking hidden sugars is an essential skill on your sugar-free journey. Food labels can be deceiving, with various terms used to disguise sugar. Familiarize yourself with alternative names for sugar, such as sucrose, high fructose corn syrup, or agave nectar. By becoming a savvy label reader, you empower yourself to make informed choices, steering clear of unnecessary added sugars. Transitioning from a sugar-free week to a sustainable routine involves creating habits that align with your health goals. Establish a meal planning routine. Experiment with new recipes. And gradually reintroduce foods with lower sugar content. Remember, the journey is ongoing, and small, consistent changes lead to lasting results. Embrace the process, celebrate your victories, and learn from the challenges. We've covered a tremendous amount of ground in our sugar-free exploration. Now, take a moment to reflect on your own health journey. What motivated you to consider a sugar-free week? And what insights have you gained so far? Share your reflections in the comments below. Emotional eating and sugar often go hand in hand. Recognizing the connection between emotions and food is a crucial aspect of developing a healthy relationship with what you eat. Practice mindfulness when it comes to emotional triggers and consider alternative outlets for expressing and managing your emotions. The journey towards a balanced relationship with food is a powerful step towards holistic well-being. Let's talk about the relationship between sugar and sleep. The food we consume can impact our sleep quality, and excessive sugar intake has been linked to disruptions in sleep patterns. By reducing your sugar intake, you may experience improvements in sleep duration and quality. Sleep is a cornerstone of your overall health, and making mindful choices contributes to a restful night and energized days. The gut microbiome plays a pivotal role in our health, and sugar consumption can influence its balance. A diet high in added sugars may lead to an imbalance in gut bacteria, potentially contributing to digestive issues and inflammation. A sugar-free week provides an opportunity for your gut microbiome to recalibrate, fostering a healthier environment for beneficial bacteria to thrive. Amidst our sugar-free exploration, let's not forget the power of hydration. Water is a true elixir for overall health, supporting various bodily functions including digestion, circulation, and toxin elimination. Make water your constant companion on this journey. Infuse it with slices of citrus fruits or herbs for a hint of natural flavor. As we draw near the end of this extensive sugar expedition, let's reflect on the power of this journey. You've uncovered the intricate dance between sugar and your body, the hidden sugars lurking in plain sight, and the resilience of your taste buds embracing the natural sweetness of life. The impact of this 7-day sugar hiatus goes beyond the physical realm. You've witnessed the transformation of not just your body, but your relationship with food and your understanding of health. Consider the emotional aspects of this journey. How has your perspective of food shifted? Have you noticed changes in your mood, energy levels, or even the quality of your sleep? Share your emotional revelations in the comments. Let's build a community of sugar-free warriors supporting each other. Remember, health is a holistic experience, and our bodies are incredible vessels capable of adapting and renewal. Every choice you make contributes to this ongoing narrative. As we approach the grand finale of our sugar-free saga, I want to express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you, the wise wellness warriors who have embarked on this journey with me. Your commitment to health is inspiring. Now, before we bid adieu to this sugar-free spectacle, let's make a pact. Promise yourself to carry the lessons learned during this exploration into your everyday choices. Whether it's opting for a fruit snack over a candy or savoring the richness of whole foods, you're in control of your health narrative. All right, splendid viewers, as we wrap up this sugar-free odyssey, I want you to take a moment and reflect on the insights you've gained. Share your thoughts, experiences, and maybe even your plans for the future in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our future adventures in the realm of wellness wisdom. Your support fuels this journey, and together, we're rewriting the narrative of health. Now, as we navigate life's sweet twists and turns, let's remember, health is wealth, and each mindful choice is a step towards a vibrant and fulfilling life. Until next time, stay wise, stay well, and stay wonderful. This is Wise Wellness Wisdom signing off.